In my day, we didn't text. We didn't swipe. We spoke with intention. And let me tell you something about words, young man. The right phrase at the right moment? That's not manipulation. That's art. Most men today? They've forgotten how to speak to a woman's soul. He's right. And what I'm about to share with you are 7 phrases so powerful, so rarely used, that when you say them, everything changes. Here's the deal. If you've ever fumbled your words around a woman you're attracted to, if you've ever played it safe and regretted it later, this video is your blueprint. Hit that like button right now if you're ready to learn what 99% of men are too afraid to say. And subscribe with notifications on, because I'm teaching you the psychology of attraction every single week, the stuff they don't teach in school. These 7 phrases, they bypass logic and speak directly to emotion. Let's go. Phrase number 1. I had to talk to you. I would have regretted it for the rest of my day if I didn't. Here's why this is nuclear level powerful. You're combining 3 psychological triggers in one sentence. First, you're showing boldness. You approached. You didn't hide behind a DM or wait for a perfect moment. Second, you're being honest. You're not using a cheesy pickup line. You're stating raw intent. Third, you're communicating value. You're essentially saying, needing you is more important than my comfort zone. Most men say, hey, what's up? Or, do you come here often? Boring, forgettable, safe. This phrase? It's vulnerable, direct, and it makes her feel like SHE is the prize you couldn't pass up. Because she is. Phrase number 2. The way your mind works is incredibly attractive to me. Listen carefully. Every woman is tired of being complimented on her appearance, her body, her outfit. She's heard it 1,000 times from 1,000 men. But her mind? Her thoughts? Her perspective? When you acknowledge her intelligence, her wit, the unique way she sees the world, you're separating yourself from every other guy who's objectifying her. This phrase tells her, I see beyond the surface. I'm captivated by who you are, not just what you look like. And that's what creates emotional addiction. Physical attraction fades. Mental connection is what makes her think about you at 2 a.m. Phrase number 3. I'm not looking for something casual. I'm looking for something real. And I think you might be it. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Isn't that too much too soon? No, it's called clarity, and women are starving for it. In a dating market flooded with. Let's see where this goes. And I'm not ready for anything serious. This phrase is a lightning bolt. You're communicating. You have standards. You're not afraid of commitment. You see potential in her. Specifically, this isn't about locking someone down on date 1. It's about setting the frame. You're a man who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to name it. And confidence in your intentions? That's magnetic. Phrase number 4. Right now, in this moment, there's nowhere else I'd rather be. We live in a distraction economy. Everyone's half present, half scrolling, half listening. When you say this phrase, you're doing something revolutionary. You're giving her your few LL presence. This tells her that she's not competing with your phone, your buddy's group chat, or your wandering attention. She has you, completely. And in a world where attention is the rarest currency, this phrase is priceless. Pro tip. Say it when you're genuinely feeling it. Not as manipulation, as truth. She feel the difference. Phrase number 5. You make me want to be the kind of man who deserves you. This is the phrase that breaks down walls. Most men either A. Put women on a pedestal and lose attraction. B. Act like they don't care and create distance. This phrase? It's the perfect middle ground. You're acknowledging her value without becoming a puppy dog. You're showing vulnerability without being weak. You're communicating that she inspires you to grow. Women don't want a finished product. They want a man who's on a mission and sees them as part of that vision. This phrase says exactly that. And it hits different. Phrase number 6. Your trouble. The best kind of trouble. Here's the psychology. Women want to feel seen as multidimensional. Not just sweet and innocent. Not just wild and reckless. Both. This phrase acknowledges her edge, her unpredictability, her spark. You're essentially saying, I see your complexity, and instead of being intimidated, I'm intrigued. It's flirty without being vulgar. It's challenging without being disrespectful. And it creates sexual tension because you're implying you can handle whatever she brings. Most men play it safe. You're playing to win. Phrase number 7. And this is the most powerful. I can't promise you perfect, but I can promise you real. And if you give me a chance, I'll make sure you never question whether I chose you. This is the phrase that separates men from boys. You're not promising fairy tales. You're promising presence, intention. Choice. Every woman has been chosen and then unchosen, pursued and then ignored, promised forever and then abandoned. This phrase addresses that wound directly. You're saying, I see your fear. I understand your hesitation. And I'm making a conscious commitment to show up. That level of emotional intelligence, that's husband material. That's the kind of thing she replays in her mind for weeks. Here's what that old man knew that most men today have forgotten. Words aren't just communication. They're weapons of mass attraction when used with intention. A woman doesn't want a poet. She wants a man who's brave enough to tell her the truth before he's ready. That's poetry. These 7 phrases aren't scripts. They're frameworks. You need to make them yours. Say them when you mean them. Feel them when you speak them. If this changed how you think about communication, smash that like button. Let's spread this to men who need it. Subscribe for more psychology, attraction, and becoming the man women don't want to lose. Comment below. Which phrase are you going to use first? And which one scared you the most? Remember, the woman you want is waiting for a man brave enough to speak like this. Will that be you? I'll see you in the next one. Now, go make her melt.